So guys, I'm almost set up for my water bath cleaning. I'm here at our favorite store, and I found a couple of items, so of course I went and got them. Even if I don't start right now, I got them. So hey, and the shelves are getting scarce, so it is what it is. But anyway, I gotta find this one piece that I can't find. So see you in a minute. So what do y'all want? What is that? What is that? It's not, if just candy, no.
It's not candy.
All that's candy. All that's candy. What's a Krabby Patty?
That one.
I don't see nothing say Krabby Patty. Oh, this thing here?
Yes.
That is not Krabby Patty. Oh, it is Krabby Patty. That's candy. That thing $2. No. Well, again, this was not my plan, but I did get my eggs and my creamer. So, and I did find my canning, some of my canning stuff. So, on to the next process. Alright guys, so now I'm leaving that place with all this humidity out here. I am so stuffy again, sneezing, now got a runny nose and a headache. But anyway, I managed to come and get the supplies. I won't get started, of course, until I know I got all what I need. So I know I'm missing for sure one thing, but I don't know if it's major right now. So guys, this is my canning overhaul. This is what I was able to find and pick up. And we're gonna start off with, we have 2 bags of pickling salt. Then we have the Morton's pickling salt. You have the utensil set, the citric acid, some little mini jars, 4-ounce jars. I bought some shear gel. These are, let's see, 8-ounce jars. It is 12 in there. And then these are 12 quart, 32-ounce jars. It's 12 in each one of those. So I have 2 of each. I got the pickling vinegar base, and something I seen Women Sure said it was a pretty good deal. So to help foliage and all that stuff, different pests, all that crap. So even though I haven't got started with my canning, I'm just trying to find everything that I will possibly need. I don't have a pressure cooker, but I will show you what I have. So this is what I have. It's a 32 quart, and it got the silver lid. It's by Amusa, and I think the only thing that right now I will be able to do is like the water bath method. I do have the the little, I guess I don't know, I'm not going to say rack, but at least this here insert to go with it. So again, like I said, it's a 32 quart stock pot. So once upon a time, I did have a smaller one, stock pot, but I don't know. I probably loaned it all. I don't really know. But for right now, for all the research that I've been doing, you can use the stock pot to water bath. So right now, that, like I said, that's what I'm going to be doing. Is most likely doing like water bathing the things that I can. And as I locate me a pressure cooker, then I will start experimenting with pressure cooking. So I've ordered me a thermometer to know how hot it is, as well as the lid magnet. So I think those are the two things that I'm missing. So I'm in the process of ordering them. I'm just waiting for them to come in. So once I get the things that I need, then I will start trying to do a little something. I don't know what first, but I'm gonna try something just to see if I can do it, even if it's going to the store and just so happen to get some fruit myself and just see what I can do, or the juices. So I was looking at Homestead Heart, and she was saying that you can also use 100% juice, the concentrated kind with no sugar. So I don't know. I'm gonna fumble something. I'm gonna fidget something, but I'm gonna make it happen. So until I start canning, you guys have a good day. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that like button and that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you'll know. Leave a comment and let me know what you're doing as far as canning or water bath or pressure cooking. Have you started? Have you thought about it? Have a great day.